In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch/chronograph feature on your SKMEI Model 1628 watch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press the bottom left button. I'm in my main timekeeping mode right now. That's the default mode on the watch. We're going to press this 4 times to get to the stopwatch mode. Each time we press it, it's taking us to a different mode. You should end up on a screen that has ST in the top there, and this is what your stopwatch mode looks like. You'll notice this little indicator up here, 0H, that's the number of hours. Your stopwatch can go for up to 24 hours. Once it gets to 24 hours, it will reset back to all zeros. Pretty simple. When you're in here, you're going to simply press the top right button to start your stopwatch. Press it again to stop or pause it. And then press it again to resume. You do not have to stay in the stopwatch mode, just like most other watches. I can go ahead and press the mode button, go do anything else I want on the watch, keep it in main timekeeping. The stopwatch is running in the background until I stop it. I'm going to go ahead and go back to it. And we can see that it's been running this whole time. Now the tricky part is when it's stopped, if you want to reset it, you would think you're going to press the bottom right button, the reset button. But you'll notice when I press it, nothing happens. If you want to reset your stopwatch while it's stopped, you're going to press the top left button. It's your light button. It's going to turn on your light, but it'll also reset your stopwatch back to all zeros. Doesn't make a lot of sense. You would have thought they would have put it on the bottom right. The only other thing I was going to mention is you do have a split timer option. So while it's running, maybe you're out running, you just finished your first lap or mile or whatever, and you want to take a split time. If you press the top left button, just like the reset, it basically records your split. So the stopwatch is still running, but I can look and see that my split time was 10.32 seconds. When you want to release your split, again, you're going to press the top left button and you successfully released your split. And then again, stopwatch has been running, stop it and reset it. Pretty simple, not too complicated, not a whole lot of bells and whistles. Once you get done, you can simply press bottom left button 1 time, get you out of the stopwatch mode, and that's a quick look at using the stopwatch on the Model 1628. I hope the video helped.